Hey you guys, thanks for stopping by Life in the Slow Lane. Maybe I have a helpful generator tip for you. You know, Anna and I are out here boondocking and the weather hasn't been so good. So I decided I wanted to start the generator, exercise the generator a little bit, work it, and at the same time maybe put a charge on the batteries. They're getting a little low, it's been raining and a little bit of snow out here in West Yellowstone this week. So I hit the start button and it wouldn't start. Okay, so I have a problem here. Let's try and figure something out. So I check for fuel, it's getting fuel. I check for spark, it's getting spark. So now I have to think back, what could it possibly be? Our generator has less than 300 hours on it, and I've already serviced it 3 times. So I'm very confident that it's probably something really stupid. And after thinking about it a while, I remember the last time I changed the oil in the unit, I could only get 1.5 quarts of oil back in it. The unit takes 2 quarts. It's a 5500 Onan generator. So, but I saved the other 1/2 quart of oil and I set it to the side next to the generator. And I forgot about it. I kept checking it for a while, but after a while I just forgot about it because it keeps running. Well, it wouldn't run this morning. It just cranked, it wouldn't start. So I know these generators have a lot of safeties on them. So I'm thinking maybe there's a low oil sensor switch that got tripped, because when I did check it, it was that 1/2 quart low. So I went ahead and I was able to force feed it that other 1/2 quart. The oil level kept coming up to the top, but I just, used a lot of patience, but I finally got it to take that last 1/2 quart. So I put that last 1/2 quart in there and went to start it, and it still wouldn't start. Darn it, I was sure that was it, because it still won't start. So I went ahead and I decided, well, maybe I'll do like a reboot on the generator. I mean, who knows, maybe I need to reset it. I'm sure it was the sensor. So I turned off all the battery switches to it, let it sit for 5-10 minutes, then turned everything back on and it still wouldn't start. So out of desperation, I decided that I would go one step further. So what I ended up doing this time was I disconnected all the battery switches, but I also disconnected the ground wire. Let it set for 10 minutes, reconnected the ground wire, turned on all the switches, hit the push button, and it started. Well, I can't believe it. It worked. So that's one of the things that I think could help you out if you're out there and you trip a switch on one of these generators. What you got to remember is that they have a lot of safeties in them, and you just need to go back and make sure that you've done everything you could when it comes to doing what I call essentially a reboot. I mean, if you got to disconnect the ground wire, you're going a long ways. Anyways, thanks for coming by and stopping to see us at Life in the Slow Lane, and we'll see you on the road.